Hi guys, good morning and welcome to my vlog. Hi guys, welcome to my first vlog. In this vlog, we will talk about who I really am. So first, I want to introduce myself using this video. I'm 19 years old, I'm currently living in Baliches, Quezon City, and my hobby is playing basketball. But due to the pandemic, I can't do it because it is forbidden. And we have a lot of pets like this. I have a lot of pigeon. Yep, there we are. Also the chicken. Yeah. My favorite. She is my queen. Hi queen. We talk about my favorite pet, Queen. She is currently pregnant. Her breed is Lionhead and she's 8 months. Then if ever this is her first pregnancy. Yep. Because look at her. How beautiful there she is. By using this motorcycle. Yep, that motorcycle. Bitch, I'm only getting better. Burn, motherfucker, burn, motherfucker, burn. Burn, motherfucker, burn, motherfucker. Burn, motherfucker, burn, motherfucker, burn. Burn, motherfucker, burn, motherfucker, burn. I have a lot of land like this. That's all for today. Goodbye.